How to add fonts in CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to dive into the world of CapCut on PC and show you how to add custom fonts to enhance your video editing projects. Fonts can really help you make your video stand out. So let's get started. First, make sure you have CapCut installed on your PC. If you haven't already, you can download it from their official website or through a trusted source. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Here are so many fonts. You can download any font you want. Let's download Super Cool. I'll click on download and it's downloaded. I'll click on the zip file and from here I'll open TrueType font, the file, and then I'll click on install. Once installed, I'll open CapCut, create a new project, and here click on text. Add text. Let's type hello. And from here let's change the font. Now here I'll search for Super Cool font. Scroll down until you see system font, and here you can see the Super Cool font I just downloaded. Make sure your CapCut is closed when you are downloading font. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to preview your video to make sure your custom fonts look just the way you want it to. Once you're satisfied, save your project. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom font to your CapCut project on PC. Fonts can play a big role in making your videos unique and engaging. So don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts to find the perfect style for your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any question or want to share experience with adding fonts in CapCut, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, stay creative and keep editing.